Hello everybody, let me introduce the basic operations of the mixer. Firstly, please take out the machine and all the accessories from the box. This is the mixer. This is the mixing pedal. This is the wrench. And then let us get to know some important part of the mixer. This is switch. Attention please. Here is a locking press button. When we press the switch button and the lock button simultaneously, the machine can work continuously. If you want to stop the machine, you just need to press the switch button again. Then you can find the locking press button will be ejected automatically. It is reset and unlocked. Next, let us check the lever of the mixer. The first gear speed is low speed. The speed is 150 to 300 RPM. And the second gear speed is high speed. And the speed is 300 to 650 RPM. We can choose the proper working speed according to the different materials which you are going to mix by turning the lever to the first gear or to the second gear. We advise you to mix the dense material with the first gear until the material becomes dilute, and then you can use the second gear. By doing so, to protect the machine from damage. Please pay high attention on one important point. When the mixer is working, please do never turn the lever to shift gear, no matter from 1 to 2 or from 2 to 1. That is not allowed. Don't forget. Otherwise, the machine will be damaged directly. This is the speed control knob. There are 6 gears, 1 to 6, on the speed control knob. The 6 positions stand for different speed. You can choose the one as you like in order to fit for your material. As I mentioned before, we have 2 gears of the lever, and the 6 gears of the speed control knob. Divide them into 12 speeds. It means you have 12 speeds to choose. This is the spindle, where we can install the mixing pedal. Now we turn the mixing pedal in a clockwise direction into the spindle. And then use the pair of M22 wrench to tighten the mixing pedal. One should lock the spindle, and the other one should lock the nut of the mixing pedal. You must remember to tighten it, otherwise the mixing pedal will swing heavily when you are using it and cause the damage of the machine. This is the pair of carbon brush. Please check whether the carbon brush is used up or not. When the machine stops running suddenly, please replace the carbon brush if the carbon brush is used up. Now let me show you how to replace the carbon brush. Firstly, use the screwdriver to open the brush cover. And then take out the old carbon brush and replace it with the new carbon brush. The last step, you just need to install the brush cover again. Okay, now the mixer is ready to work. Before that, please put the anti-noise earmuffs on to protect your ear in case the noise will affect the mood of your work. Now, let's plug in the power supply. And get to work. Firstly, we use the first gear to mix. Now we stop the machine and change it to the second gear to mix. Here we stop the machine and change it to the second gear to mix. Here, please note that if you cannot turn the lever, please rotate the mixing pedal a little in order to change it to the second gear properly. Now, mixing is completed. Please note that only to use the machine correctly that you can have the good mixing effect that you want. Thanks for your watching.